The Golden Bird. A king saw a golden bird and asked, "Please stay in the garden forever. I will name you as the Golden Bird." Every morning, the king fed grains to the golden bird with his hand. The swans became jealous of the golden bird. They thought, "The king does not love us as before." So, they started attacking the golden bird. They asked the golden bird, "Please leave our place." But the golden bird disagreed. It made the king unhappy and everyone else in the palace. The king ordered his soldiers to kill all the swans. They all flew away and lost their royal home because of their jealousy. Moral: never be jealous of anyone.